How many times in LeBron's 21 seasons has he led the league in something negative? Never. Michael Jordan and all his scoring titles, you know how many times he led the league in most missed shots and most taken shots? So of course I would think you would score more if you're taking the most shots of the whole league and missing the most shots of the whole league. Michael and Kobe excelled at that. 10 years out of Michael's career, he only played for 15. 10 of them, he led the league in most missed shots. Michael couldn't do anything without help. LeBron, without help, dragged the Cleveland Cavaliers, which was a shitty team, a last place team in the NBA, to the playoffs, and then the following year to the finals as an 18 and 19-year-old. Michael could never do that. If you look at that lineup, Michael Jordan couldn't do any of that. You want to know why? Because he's not nowhere near as versatile as LeBron. The better basketball player is LeBron. You need a center. You need a point guard. You need a power forward, a shooting guard. LeBron can do it all. Michael cannot.